Hi, Jamie.
Hi, Bradley.
I love glam bam thank you ma'aming people.
I love it too. I'm so glad you would glam bam, thank you ma'am, everyone today.
Okay, so Jamie, when you asked me if I had a hack that I could share with everybody, I was like, do I have like some weird styling hack? And then I was like, I wonder what that would be. So then I looked at the clock and I was like, oh, it's like protein shake time. And I'm like, I have a hack. Do you want to know what my hack is?
Yes.
So I'm very particular about how I like my protein shake, and I make the same one every single day for like the past 3 years. And the key to a really good creamy consistency in a protein shake are frozen bananas.
Is that really really?
Yeah.
By the way, do you know what else you can do with frozen bananas? That's not bad. No, this is a G-rated show. You can make frozen yogurt with frozen bananas.
Oh, I saw that on Pinterest.
Wait.
Wait, so here, I'm gonna make my protein shake for you right now.
Okay, great.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
How's the signal?
You look great. We're not glitching. We're perfect.
About this much ice.
Okay.
Okay, see that?
What?
And then I'm gonna take almond milk. I'm gonna shake it like Gary from my Brad Bucks videos. Oh,
Shake it for Gary.
that much almond milk. Do you see that?
Nope. Oh, there we go.
There. And then this is the real pièce de résistance. So you take your frozen bananas, and they smell good too. I like a plant-based protein.
Okay, which one?
Because it doesn't make me.
Which one is that?
This is Vegasport.
Oh, that's a pea protein, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's all?
There it all is.
That's it.
That's it. I only put those in because I feel like a protein shake shouldn't have 1,000 calories in it, because I would just go get a McFlurry then, right? So fire this baby up. I start on medium usually. NutriBullet, girl. Oh, look at that. It's perfect.
Let me see. Oh, yum. Straight from the, all right. Oh,
It's literally just gonna
fall on me.
slide off my face. That's it, guys. Frozen bananas.
So frozen bananas is the trick. And I bet it tastes really good. I love a frozen banana.
Swipe up for frozen bananas.
Swipe up for frozen bananas. And if you see below, I'm going to put all of Brad's info. Follow him because he's one of the funniest people I know. And you're going to just love following him. Say bye, Brad.
Love you guys. Frozen bananas.
Frozen banana.
Bye.
Bye. Really quickly though, Brad, freeze.